Yeah, hey, I'm back in the bathroom from last time when we made our borax water. So today's video we're going to be making or doing a testing video with the white Gorilla Glue. Let's just get on to the video. Comment down below right now if you think this is going to be a fail. I'm terrible at opening stuff, so yeah. Because I'll be right back. So, see you in a few. Sorry guys that you had to wait for like 5 seconds. So, yeah, and I lost the lid, so I'm looking for it and everything, like legitly everything. So, yeah, so I'm putting in my glue now. Okay. So, now I poured in about that much, not a lot, and then it looks like it formed, but forming. This says white glue, but it's really clear. White Gorilla Glue. I don't know. But I'm gonna put it somewhere right here. Back there, and then I think it could use a little bit more to make slime. But I don't want to overactivate anything. But I guess I will have to. Okay, so it's basically slime. Maybe a little bit more wax might work. Does actually make like a kind of white glue. Kind of tight. So, oh my gosh, guys, it's actually really coming together. So maybe more Gorilla Glue. So let's get some Gorilla Glue. And I'm going to put in about more than I added in wax. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. I'm back. I had to do something. So, guys, just for a couple minutes, I let it sit. Maybe about 2 minutes. And it started to form like this cloudy mess. Like, it's kind of hard to explain, but it started to rise up. So I don't know what that does, but it's actually not slime. So if you ever go to the store and buy Gorilla Glue and you're like, this might make slime, it won't. So I'm just about to just try one more time for you guys. Maybe a dash of soap. I hope the soap doesn't make anything explode in this bathroom. And I'm also going to be trying the soap one, like testing out if soap works. So, yeah, guys. Let me. Oh. Well, I'm saying, guys, don't buy this. Period. Even if it's made a pretty good foam slime, like foam, like actual foam. It does not make a good foam slime. Does not make a good slime, period. So don't go out wasting your parents' money trying to test out videos unless you're like me just want to test out stuff for your channel, but guys, no way. If you add some water, maybe. Water does the trick. Okay. So I'm turning off the water. I don't know why I didn't think of that. But that kind of works. But still, guys, don't waste your parents' money or your money on Gorilla Glue unless you just want to try it. But I'm saying, try and get. It's not going to make slime. Spoiler alert. It's not going to make slime like that. More of a putty. If you like putties, try it. But it's very sticky. I'm trying not to clog their sink. BTW, I'm at my grandparents' house, so yeah. Not at my house. So I think what I'm going to add is some soap, maybe. Because it's kind of like a white metallic slime. A little bit. So I'm adding a dash of soap. It's actually making it like fall apart. Do you guys think I should add water to thicken it up? Or what? I added water just to see what's gonna happen. Okay, guys. So you know how I said in the beginning it does not make slime? Well, it does, but not a good slime. It doesn't make one of them. Well, I'm thinking, guys, it makes a putty. So now we know the store's secrets. You're like, oh, I use Gorilla Glue? Maybe. Or some other source of stuff. So I'm checking it out. Got water dripping down me. I'm trying to show you guys that Gorilla Glue does not work. It does make slime. But not slime, it makes a putty, let's say that. And it is very sticky, by the way. So, show my other camera. But it's pretty good. It feels like chewed up gum, so you can actually dye this like any color you want. And make your friends be like, here, I made this slime for you. And be like, she's made from Gorilla Glue. And they're like, oh, okay. At first I thought that it was your chewed up gum. No. But, it's a good prank or something, because it is like chewed up gum like putty. So now I know how to make putty. Awesome! Very kind of didn't want to know that, but, well, actually I did want to know how to make putty, guys. So, yeah, does Gorilla Glue make slime? No, but it makes a putty. So isn't that close to slime? Pretty much. Okay, guys. Now I'll just put it off my hands and stuff, and I'm balling up the... I'm basically balling up the putty, and I'm going to wash my hands. But anyway, guys, thank you for supporting me and doing everything that you guys do, and I'm probably going to get in trouble, but it was worth the views. So this is your last time seeing this putty, unless it's for another video or something, but I doubt it. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And if you bought Gorilla Glue and you tried to make slime, did it make slime? Did you add water? Bye, guys. Bye!